So good morning woodpeckers, it's Tuesday the 26th of January 2021. Okay, today we are adding up, as you can see, a 4-digit number and a 3-digit number. That's the only difficulty you might get regrouping in multiple columns. Okay, so it's an addition of a 4-digit number and a 3-digit number with multiple column regrouping. Okay, so it might not just be the tens column, it might not just be the ones column. There might be multiple regrouping that needs to take place. Okay, so that is an example of a horizontal sum. First thing you do, rewrite it, okay, and make sure you get the columns in the correct place. So the 4-digit number has thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. The 3-digit number only has hundreds, tens and ones, okay? So make sure you get your columns correct and make sure you put the numbers in the correct columns, okay? I've started already, okay? So I'm looking at my ones column, which is always where we start. 5 and 5 equals 10. We know that we cannot put the number 10 in here. The maximum number in any of these answers has to be 9. Okay, so 10 is the answer, so we regroup because 5 and 5 is 10, which means we regroup the number 1, which represents the 110 in the tens column, and therefore there are 0 ones. Okay, so now I need to add up the values in my tens column and see whether I need to regroup after that. So 8 add 5 makes 13, and I add my 1, which makes 14. Okay, I can do it this way as well. 8 add 1 makes 9, and add the 5 makes 14. Whichever way you want to do it, make sure when you've added that regrouping on, you cross it out. So I like to do 8 add 1 is 9, add 5 is 4. Okay, so 14. 14 tens, as it says here, okay, is represented by 1 100 and 4 tens. Okay, that's what the answer is. 80 add 50 add 10 is 140. 140 is made up of 1 100. There's my 1 100, and there's 4 tens in the answer. 4 tens. That's how we regroup. Okay, so now I look at my hundreds column. I might need to regroup again in a minute. Okay, so 7 add 2 is 9. Add 1 is 10. When I've added it on, I cross it out. 10. Okay, so 10. 700 add 200 add 100 is 1,000. So it's 700 add 200 add 100 makes 1,000. Okay, so we know that we need to regroup because the answer is now 1,000. So we put the 1 in the thousands column. Okay, because this is technically saying 700 add 200 add 100. When we do that, we get to 1,000. Okay, so let me put in plus 100 there. That equals 1,000. 1 1,000. Okay, it represents the regrouping value is 1. Now we have got 1 1,000. Okay, no hundreds in 1,000, simply 1,000. Okay, and then I add that column to the number 7. So 7 of 1 is 8. So the answer is 8,040. Okay, so make sure you do it columns correct because the 3-digit number needs to be correctly written, and regroup. So this time we've got 3 regroupings because you might find you've got multiple columns. Okay. Straightforward, we've been doing this for the last week and a half, okay? Just remember that when you add your regrouping on to cross it off, it's good practice so that you know you've added it on to the correct column and you've got the correct value and answer as a result. Okay, best of luck with that.